In the latest update in E. Jean Carroll's lawsuit against President Trump for defamation, the U.S. Court of Appeals rejected Trump's appeal. He's still on the hook for that $83.3 million owed to Ms. Carroll. And will this be the final judgment, or will it go up to the Supreme Court? He accused Ms. Carroll of lying about her experiences of sexual abuse in order to try to get publicity for herself. But after Trump made these false statements, Carroll received death threats, lost her job, and went from making $50K per year in freelance work to just $500 a year. She had a reputational repair expert estimate that it would cost between $7.2 to $12.1 million to run a successful campaign to repair Ms. Carroll's reputation. Now, the jury awarded Carroll $11 million for that reputation repair program, $7.3 million for compensatory damages, and $65 million in punitive damages, finding that Trump made his statements in June of 2019 with malice. Now, during the trial, Trump made loud comments that Ms. Carroll's testimony was false, that it was a witch hunt and a con job, and he was instructed twice by the judge to refrain from making such comments. And Trump even walked out of the courtroom during Carroll's attorney's closing arguments, showing the utmost respect for our courts in our country. Things became a little complicated because you see the Supreme Court issued a decision in Trump v. the United States, which held that presidents are presumptively immune from criminal liability for official acts. So everyone was thinking, how does this affect Ms. Carroll's case? Now, because Trump was president in 2019, he tried his hardest to argue that he was immune from the suit. However, he did not assert the defense of absolute presidential immunity in his initial answer. Now, as you learn as a 1L student, if you don't assert certain defenses in the first answer you file with the court, they can be waived, and you can't use them later, even if you ask really, really nice. And in December of 2022, Trump's counsel asked the court really nice in a motion for summary judgment if Mr. Trump could try to assert that presidential immunity defense. And that was denied in 2022 by the court. But the bottom line is the original $83.3 million verdict against Trump stands. Whether Ms. Carroll will see the money is a different issue, and whether Trump will sue her for some other claim. We will stand by and bring you updates.